Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, let's learn how to download and play Fatekeeper. So first of all, launch your Steam application, get logged into your account, select the store button, and here search for Fatekeeper. If you're having trouble seeing Fatekeeper here, then you're gonna have to launch a browser because I did the same. And search for store.steampowered.com, and then there search for Fatekeeper app. And it will definitely show up in your browser. Then from there select open in desktop app. Then you will finally get to a page like this. Here select view page for Fatekeeper. Now this is a paid up game, so if you would like to play it, you're gonna have to simply purchase it. Select add to cart. Then select view my cart or continue shopping. Pay for the game via any payment method that you have, confirm your action, and once it has been downloaded, you will be able to view it under your library. And from there, you may go ahead and go about playing this application. Thank you for watching.